Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here another outdoor rugged smartwatch from Kospet, the Kospet M3 Ultra. And as you can see, it is the rugged outdoor smartwatch from the M series. And this one is the rectangular counterpart of the circular smartwatch T3 Ultra. Again, this is another outdoor rugged smartwatch with a beautiful design from the company Kospet. And we have here, before we have the unboxing, we have here some of its features. This is the best-selling feature of the Kospet M3 Ultra. We have a dual band and 6 satellite positioning system, 15 US military standard 810H certification, and it passed 28 reliable internal tests. Stainless steel unibody and Corning Gorilla Glass screen, built-in compass and barometric altimeter, 170 plus sports modes and smart recognition, 5 ATM and IP69K, dive-proof water resistance, and of course, high-resolution AMOLED screen. It is a reliable outdoor rugged smartwatch from the company Kospet. The same with their previous rugged outdoor smartwatch, Kospet loaded it with a lot of features including Bluetooth call and a comprehensive list of sports function. So this is the packaging of the wearable, and as you can see here, it has a simple box, but on the inside it is fully loaded. So we are going to have the unboxing of this wearable. So if you have any questions about the Kospet M3 Ultra, just drop the comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have the time. Alright, let's start and check on the Kospet M3 Ultra. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below. And we have the coupon code for this wearable if you want to get it for less. Just check out the description and the product link for the Kospet website. Checking on the box, similar to the T3 Ultra, as you can see here, it has undergone extreme temperature testing, harsh environment testing, tensile testing, waterproof testing, contamination by fluid test, and other harsh condition test for the wearable. Some of the top features here: dual band, satellite positioning system, barometric pressure here, built-in compass, altitude measurement. And on the other side, we have the Bluetooth calling here and waterproof rating. For the specifications, we have 1.96 inch rectangular AMOLED screen with a 410 by 502 pixel resolution, 480 mAh, and the same feature with the T3 Ultra. Still, it is using the Kospet Fit app that is available on iOS Store or App Store and a Google Play Store. So that's it for the details on the packaging of our M3 Ultra smartwatch. Again, this is an outdoor rugged smartwatch with an affordable price. So let's have the unboxing of this wearable. So let's remove the plastic cover here. Okay, so we have here our wearable. Here it is tightly sealed. Let's remove this one. This is what I like about the Kospet company. They have a very good and sealed product. They see to it that they deliver a quality device and of course the packaging also. It's not just a simple box, but a quality packaging for its product. So let's check on the contents. Similar to the T3 Ultra, we expect this to have a beautiful premium design. As you can see here, Kospet Watch You Want, and it proudly promotes its military standard certification. We have the smartwatch. Let's remove it. The contents are the smartwatch. We have the charging cable, USB and magnetic here. It's not wireless. We have the strap, the user manual, and we have some screen protector here. So again, the contents of our Kospet M3 Ultra are the smartwatch, the charging cable, the straps with a quick release pin, as you can see here, screen protector, and the user manual. Checking on the smartwatch, so we have, what color do we have here? Do we have the details here? I think we have the black or the gray. So let's remove it from the, we have the black color, and as expected, we do have a premium design smartwatch. Please remove the protective film before using the smartwatch. Very solid unibody design. So this one is metal, stainless steel, according to Kospet. We have here beautiful design smartwatch. So this is a metal body, zinc, probably. I think the same with the T3 Ultra is zinc alloy bezel, 2 physical buttons here, and we have another one here, up, down, then a selection and back. It's a beautiful looking smartwatch here from Kospet. Very impressive design. We have the sensor here, Tank M3 Ultra, 5 ATM, military grade, designed in US, made in China. So we have the charger here, and we have the strap. Let's weigh in. Let's check on the weight of this one. It's a bit heavy due to the all metal body design except for this side. But overall, I think 90% of this smartwatch is metal. We have 56.36 grams. With the strap, we have 76.07. So let's attach the strap of the Kospet Tank M3. Similar to the Kospet Tank T3, this wearable do have a premium looking design. And of course, it has an AMOLED screen display. Let's check on the specs again. For the specs, AMOLED screen, 1.96 inch, 410 by 502 pixel resolution. Okay, let's have a closer look here. You can see. For additional specs, going to list it here. For the specifications of the Kospet Tank M3 Ultra. Let's try to appreciate the beauty of this wearable. So this is an rugged outdoor smartwatch with a built-in GPS, as well as compass, altimeter, 15 military 15 US military standard certifications. IP69K 50 ATM. Much better, 2 times to 3 times better compared to its previous model of the M3 series. Beautiful looking smartwatch. I like the color. The black is very sharp, elegant looking smartwatch here from Kospet. So again, we have here metal buttons. We also have it here. We have at least 4 buttons here. It is somewhat similar to the Kospet T3 Ultra. Kospet Tank T3 Ultra. Even the back cover here is premium quality. Solid make. Okay, let's check if there's still a battery left, power left for the wearable. So you can check on the UI of the smartwatch. English. And as expected, we have to pair it with the support app before we can check on the menus and features. Okay, so we have successfully paired the Kospet M3 Ultra to its support app, the Kospet Fit, on Android platform. So let's have a preview of its UI. If you want to know more about its menus and features, you can watch our second video for this unboxing of the M3 Ultra smartwatch. So let's check it here. On top, we have the quick settings here, quick options. So we have here the brightness display, battery life, Bluetooth call, vibration mode, and settings. On the bottom part, we have the tile menu. So we have here some of the main feature or main options of the wearable. You can also edit it and change the location of each tile. On the left side, we have the notifications. On the right side, we have the different menu options. Again, on the top, we have the settings. On the bottom part, we have the tile option. And on the left side, we have notifications. Right side, it's all about the menu. So let's see this one. You can press also the power button here, or the selection button. Back. Set more features for the bottom key. You can also set this one. And this one. Bottom key. Back. Select. Up. Down. Up. So that's for the UI of our Kospet M3 Ultra smartwatch. And the unboxing review of its specs and design, and of course the features of this new wearable from Kospet, the Kospet M3 Outdoor Rugged Smartwatch. Bye!